Soumya, 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 what are you doing, Soumya? Soumya, she. Soumya, see here, look here. Oh, hello, how are you doing? What are you doing, Soumya? You're doing chop chop. You're enjoying Hanauma Bay. You know what? I took photos inside the water. I went inside the water. I took so many photos. See? So many fishes. Do you want to see the fish? Oh, really? Come. You want to go inside the water?
No.
Why not?
I want swim costume.
Do you want a swim costume?
No.
Do you want to go inside the water? Hanauma Bay, a volcano collapsed, and there is a big bay.
Can you show me the fishes, please?
What?
Can you show me the fishes?
What is it?
Can you show me the fishes?
You want to see the fishes? You have to go inside the water.
I want to see the fishes.
Hanauma Bay. I'm going for a snorkeling because I am wearing a mask. Can't speak well. Okay, it's time to go inside. Okay.